Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll explore how to adjust your Telegram privacy settings to make your phone number publicly visible. Whether you're managing a business account, connecting with a broader audience, or simply prefer openness, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your Telegram app. Look for the menu icon in the top left corner. It's either 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture, depending on your device. Tap it to reveal the side menu. From here, select Settings, the option with the gear icon. This is your control center for all account configurations. Next, scroll down to Privacy and Security. This section houses critical settings for managing who sees your information and how you interact on the platform. Tap it to proceed. Now locate the phone number option. By default, Telegram restricts visibility to your contacts or hides it entirely. To change this, tap Phone Number. You'll see 3 choices: Nobody, My Contacts, and Everybody. Select Everybody to make your number fully public. Before finalizing, consider the implications. A public number allows anyone on Telegram to view it, even those not in your contact list. If you're comfortable with this, confirm your choice. Telegram will save the settings automatically, and that's it. Your phone number is now visible to all users. Remember, transparency can be powerful, but always balance it with your privacy needs. If you ever want to revert, simply follow the same steps and choose a more restrictive option. For those using multiple numbers or managing separate accounts, note that each number requires a unique Telegram profile. Adjust visibility individually for each account if needed. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help. Until next time, stay connected and in control of your digital presence.